Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable battle effects on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my Cookie Village, and you can find different buttons on the home screen. You go to the scale line at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button. In the game performance section, go to the lower side and you can find the battle effects button, and you can find the A-list, enemy and enemy cookies or others button. And if you want to disable it, click to the square icon and this function will be disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.